Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a project in Appwrite step by step. Every Appwrite application starts with a project, which acts as the central workspace where you manage authentication, databases, storage, functions, and all of your backend resources. So let's get started. First, open your web browser, visit the Appwrite dashboard, and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where all of your existing projects are displayed. Next, click the Create Project or New Project button. A setup window will appear asking you to enter your project information. Type a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to manage multiple applications. After entering the project name, click Create to continue. Appwrite will generate your new project and open its dashboard. From here, you'll be able to configure backend services such as authentication, databases, storage, functions, messaging, and API settings. Now add the platform you'll be developing for, such as web, Android, iOS, Flutter, or another supported framework. Appwrite will provide a project ID and endpoint URL, which you'll need when connecting your application through the Appwrite SDK. Before finishing, review your project settings, configure any required permissions, and save your project ID in a secure location for future development. And that's it. You now know how to create a project in Appwrite and prepare your backend workspace for building modern web and mobile applications. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next